Hello, welcome to our channel. We're happy to bring you simple, natural ways to improve your health and energy every single day. Today, we're talking about something sweet, something ancient, and something incredibly powerful. Dates. Soft, rich, naturally sweet. But behind that sweetness lies a source of energy that your body instantly recognizes. Have you ever felt sudden weakness, low energy, or that moment when your body just slows down? What if the solution wasn't artificial drinks or sugar-loaded snacks, but something pure and natural? Dates are packed with natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which your body absorbs quickly. This means instant energy. No waiting, no crash, just a smooth, natural boost that wakes your body up from within. That's why for centuries, dates have been used to break fasts, to restore strength, to bring life back into the body after long hours of hunger. But dates are not just about quick energy. They are rich in potassium, supporting heart function and helping regulate blood pressure. They contain fiber, improving digestion and keeping your gut healthy. And they're loaded with antioxidants that quietly protect your body from damage. And then there's the feeling. A calm, steady energy, no stress, no heaviness, just a natural rhythm your body understands. For those who feel tired, who need strength, who want something simple yet powerful, dates are one of the easiest habits you can start. Just 2 to 3 dates a day, that's all it takes. In the morning, before a workout, or whenever your energy drops. Because sometimes, the best fuel for your body doesn't come from laboratories. It comes from nature. Thank you for watching and choosing a healthier life with us. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly supports our mission. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Stay energized, stay healthy, and take care.